Hey everyone! In today's video, we will embark on an exciting journey to explore the fascinating world of dinosaurs. We'll dive into two main topics: where on Earth dinosaurs lived and how they lived. We'll also share some places that you can visit to experience their existence. So let's get started. Imagine a world that was home to creatures that make our largest animals seem like mere insects. Dinosaurs used to be a fiction few decades ago, but now there are enough evidence to support the claim around their existence and how they lived. Dinosaurs roamed around the Earth millions of years ago, but have you ever wondered where they lived? Let's uncover their global distribution. Approximately 252 to 66 million years ago, the continents were arranged differently than they are today, and it's called the Mesozoic era. The theory of continental drift helps us understand how the continents have shifted over time. At the beginning of the Mesozoic era, all the continents were fused together to form a C-shaped supercontinent called Pangea. This landmass provided a vast and diverse habitat for dinosaurs. Over millions of years, Pangea began to break apart, forming separate continents as we know them today. This breakup had a significant impact on dinosaur distribution. As the continent split, different habitats emerged. Let's explore some of the major dinosaur habitats. The northern supercontinent, comprising the present day North America, Europe, and Asia, was called Laurasia. The southern supercontinent, with the present day South America, Africa, India, Australia, and Antarctica, was called Gondwana. North America was home to a rich diversity of dinosaurs. Fossils discovered in regions like Montana's Hell Creek Formation, as well as Utah's Morrison Formation, reveal the ancient history of dinosaurs on this continent. The famous Tyrannosaurus rex, or the T Rex, have only been discovered in North America. There is no evidence of it or its close relatives ever having lived in the southern continent. Whereas a very different carnivore, the Carnotaurus with bull-like horns, lived in Argentina. In case of UK, most of the fossils have been discovered in the southern England coastal sites like the Isle of Wight and the Jurassic coast of Dorset. China recently emerged as one of the hottest locations, where over past 2 decades huge number of discoveries have been made in the northeastern Liaoning province. Also world's biggest deposit of dinosaur bones, with an estimated 7,600 samples, was reported to have been found in the Shandong province on China's eastern coast. Africa also had a diverse dinosaur fauna. The Sahara Desert, once a lush landscape, preserves fossils that tell us about dinosaurs like Spinosaurus, one of the largest known carnivorous dinosaurs, at 50 feet long and 7 tons in weight. It was bigger than a T Rex. Apart from these, there have been discoveries around dinosaurs in all the major continents and are still underway. For informational and fun videos on the most exciting topics and events around the globe, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now that we know where dinosaurs lived, let's explore how they lived their lives in these diverse habitats. Dinosaurs varied greatly in size, from the tiny Purvicorus, which was only 1.3 feet in size, just like a Shih Tzu dog, to the giant Argentinosaurus, which was 128 feet. Just for the comparison, the T Rex was 30 feet. Their physical characteristics, such as their body shape, limb structure, or teeth, were adaptation to their specific lifestyles. Fossil evidence reveals nesting sites and tracks, indicating communal nesting and parental involvement. Dinosaurs had a unique nesting technique. They would make a circle of their eggs with empty space in the center. As per researchers, it was not possible for them to sit on their eggs without crushing them. So they sat in an open space at the center of a ring of eggs rather than right smack on top of them. The egg size varied depending upon the species. The smallest eggs were less than 170 millimeters long. Medium-sized eggs were between 170 and 240 millimeters long. And finally, the largest eggs were more than 240 millimeters long. The species that laid them may have weighed up to 2 tons. Talking about their speed, We all can recall a T-Rex chasing a Jeep in the 1993 film Jurassic Park. But for decades, the researchers have concluded that this dinosaur could not move quickly. T-Rex in this case were not as fast as humans essentially because they did not have enough muscle mass, especially in their ankles. Some computer simulations based on their tail movement show that Tyrannosaurus were slow walkers making close to 3 miles per hour. Average human walking speed is 3 to 4 miles per hour. On the other hand, an analysis of fossil footprint tracks concludes that 100 million years ago, there were two bipedal dinosaurs in what is now northern Spain that reached the speed of 28 miles per hour. Now, unfortunately, 66 million years ago, an asteroid impact triggered a mass extinction event, wiping out 76% of the dinosaur species. This was Earth's fifth major extinction and was called KPG extinction event. The environmental changes and volcanic activities further wiped out the species. And there you have it, an overview of where dinosaurs lived and how they lived. But let me tell you, it's best experienced when you see it all yourself. Yes, you heard it right. There are renowned museums and research centers around the world that house incredible collections of fossils and provide a unique opportunity to see dinosaur specimens up close. Let's see the top ones. American Museum of Natural History, New York. Royal Tyrrell Museum, Alberta. Natural History Museum, London. Fernbank Museum of Natural History, Georgia. Museum for Naturkunde, Berlin. All these museums offer a great experience, and where you want to go would be a subjective decision depending upon your personal preferences and convenience. However, the American Museum of Natural History in New York City is often considered one of the top dinosaur museums in the world. It houses a vast collection of dinosaur fossils, including the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex and Apatosaurus skeleton. Additionally, Royal Tyrrell Museum is another good choice as the town where it's located offers a great experience in terms of the landscape. Drumheller is often referred to as the dinosaur capital of the world due to its abundance of dinosaur fossils and extensive paleontological discoveries. The area surrounding Drumheller is rich in dinosaur fossils, making it a haven for paleontologists and dinosaur enthusiasts. The Earth was once a playground for these incredible creatures, and with the scientific research, we continue to explore and unravel their secrets. Thank you for joining us on this dinosaur adventure. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring.